Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel lab, select the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, crop the picture, select the crop option, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, select the shape, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, select the to back the picture, save the picture, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, select the shape button, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, select the to back option, to back the shape, copy the shape, select the copy option, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.